Here we are at 29 Gregory Circle in Breckenridge, Colorado. It's on a beautiful 1-acre lot. Lots of views all around. It's on a quiet cul-de-sac street. It's got a nice backyard area. It's on 1 acre. It's got room for a garage here. Nice, lots of parking. It's a really cute mountain cabin, metal roof. It's got flagstone entry. We'll go inside. Here we are inside. It's got a beautiful rock fireplace, high ceilings, wood stove. This comes totally furnished. Wood flooring, bar seating for the kitchen. It's got a fridge and a electric range. Big sink. Lots of cabinets. Super cozy in here. It's got a little dining area. Has gas forced air heat. Tongue and groove ceilings with beams. It's on a well and a septic. And we just had a survey done. Got a TV here. They've got, I believe, a satellite dish. So there's 3 bedrooms. This is an owner closet right here that's locked, so we can't see that. There's a microwave here in this cabinet. There's 1 bedroom on this main level, which is super cute. Very cabiny theme. This bedroom has carpeting. And looking this way, got nice and bright windows. Good lighting in here. And then you've got 1 bath, which is 3/4, has tile flooring. Shower, has a little wall space heater here. It's got tile on the ceiling. Some cabinetry here. And then this is the furnace and storage. And you could probably, I would think, put in a washer dryer in here somewhere. You'd have to have a plumber look at it, but that's always an option to check into. Again, tile ceilings. There's another wastebasket in here. Outside, we've got a covered porch area. With table and chairs. Trex decking here. Little bench. And down below here you've got a really nice fire pit with 4 chairs. Concrete patio down below. You've got a grill and a picnic table. There's an umbrella underneath. Nice and private down here. I've got some lights up. Beautiful views. This little walkway overlooks the lower level. There's a closet here. 2 bedrooms up here. Vaulted ceilings. Bench, dresser, nice windows, and this other bedroom has bunk beds. It's got a little gaming area here for the kids. This is a great kids room. Double on the bottom, or queen on the bottom and single on the top. Another dresser, some chairs for gaming. These bedrooms have carpet. Okay, so that's it for Gregory's Circle. It's a cute little cabin if you're looking for an affordable place here in the mountains to come and enjoy being with your family. And if you have any questions, please give me a shout.